Hi guys, it's me Mariah, my brother, and my mom. And I know I look like very, because I just got out of gymnastics.
And he just got out of baseball.
Yeah. And we're going to be doing the taste test challenge. So if you don't know how this goes, like you can have anything, but we pick sodas. So
And milk.
and water.
And water. Oh, soda.
And we're going to be pouring sodas and see if you get the sodas right. But some of them, we don't really know what they are.
And they could be mixed up
Yes.
horribly.
Like there could be milk, water, and Dr. Pepper.
And I'm going to go, okay, guys? So, let's get into it.
Can I go first so you can give me?
Okay, my sister's going to...
Yeah, I'm going to go first.
Because
So my
she's
mom,
Be nice.
because she's kind of... She wants to do it more better than me.
yeah, but my mom is going to hold it.
And I'm going to be
Not
doing...
with my hand in the way. Oh boy.
Alright.
I don't want it looking at me. I'll face it towards Mariah. And now on Adriano.
Okay. This is going to be so horrible. Yes,
No peeking.
I know. I'm just going to climb up that roof.
No, you are not.
Now I would do it. Yeah, I would. I'm just thirsty right now.
It is cold.
No, and do not write on that.
Okay. Guys, I'm done with the first
If
one.
I peek, I'm sorry.
No, don't be sorry. Just don't do it.
I know, but I'm just like moving around.
Close your eyes.
Oh, yeah. Yes, it's turning perfect how I had it.
Where's the red crayon?
Isn't that over here?
It's right over there on the other
Here?
No, go back. Yeah. Yes. Now try for the final.
Where's the red crayon?
Do you know what you put in it? Okay.
Where's the red crayon?
And no, I don't know.
Are you done?
No, just hang on.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Where's the...
Mariah, push it.
Okay. Mom, point it at.
All right, let's see.
This is gonna be so fun.
How does it taste?
How does it taste? Does it taste horrible? Does it taste horrible, Brian?
She's still drinking it.
Okay. One Dr. Pepper?
No.
Wait, I meant this.
Yes.
Okay. And RC Cola?
Yeah.
And it looks a little whitey. So milk?
Yes.
Yes!
No.
There's more still.
Oh. Okay. So I have, and I picked RC and milk. I picked RC and milk now. So I did RC and milk. So I did that. Dr. Pepper
It's not even in it.
and between those two. Wow. The instincts are going with water, but it tastes like root beer.
Maybe it's both.
Is it?
I don't know.
Maybe
Honestly, I don't even remember.
Maybe it's water. Root beer.
Okay. My gut is telling me water.
So you say water?
Yes. What?
You didn't put water in it?
Yeah, I literally did it.
No.
You swear?
I swear.
I don't remember, so comment below if he really didn't put water in
I
it.
saw you cross your fingers.
I didn't cross my
Okay,
fingers.
Bible. That means you can't cross your fingers.
Okay, let's just go on.
Yeah.
We'll find out later.
So I got 3 points. I guess.
Okay, now it's gonna be me.
Okay, we gotta end this video and then we're gonna...
We're done with this one, and now we're gonna do another video, and I just did one, and we're gonna do me. Okay, guys? I just did one drink.
Well, guess what? That was mostly the whole entire.
That was all of them, pretty much. All of them mixed together.
Okay.
You did pretty good at guessing. All right.
Bye, you guys.
Bye, guys.